Morning sun is shining bright. Tony waits with big delight. Yellow bus is on the way. Ready for a school day. Fun begins with happy sight. Big bus stops with gentle sound. Happy kids are all around. Tony smiles big and wide. Ready for a joyful ride. Best bus in the town is found. Tony climbs the steps so tall, holding tight so he won't fall. Seats are bright and clean inside. Friends are sitting side by side. Bus adventure starts for all. Tony waves and says hello. Friends all smile row by row. Laughter fills them happily. Happy kids along the way. Joyful faces start to glow. Bus goes rolling down the street, turning slow with steady beat. Tony looks out happily. Trees are smooth and really neat. Green trees pass the window fast. Clouds of arches with surprise. Bright blue sky before it lasts. Kids are singing loud and clear. Happy songs we love to hear. Tony claps and sings along. Bus ride turns into a song. Smiles and laughter everywhere. School appears not far away. Kids are cheering hooray. Tony feels so glad inside. After such a fun bus ride, learning starts this happy day. Bus door opens wide and slow. Time for kids to step and plead. Friends and teachers he will meet. Learning time is pure delight.